Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings. My name is Abdurrahman bin Omar. My metric number is 01DKM20F1051. Now, my team members and I will talk about our presentation, which is case study 2, Engineering and Sustainable Development. Our team members' metric number start with 1050 until 1053. It starts from Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Rosli, and then myself, Abdurrahman bin Omar, and then Emil Elisha Moses, and the last one, Muhammad Ali Fauzi bin Muhammad Nasri. We are all from DKM 3B, and now I will pass to Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Rosli to proceed with our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you for Abdurrahman. So, let me continue. What is the engineering? Engineering is the use of scientific principle to design and build mechanic, structure, and other items, include pipe, tunnels, road, vehicles, and buildings. The discipline of engineering encompasses a broad range of more specialized fields of engineering, each with a more specific emphasis on particular area of applied mathematics, applied science, and type of application. See Glossary of Engineering. The responsibility of the engineer. In the words of an engineer, various types of computer equipment are used. Therefore, his responsibility includes his practical application. He must have skill of scientific activities in the field of construction, design, information, service, production organization. It is also necessary to understand how technical control and meteorological support go.
My name is Muhammad Ali Fauzi bin Muhammad Nasri. My metric number is 01DKM20S1053. Today I will talk about what is sustainable development. Okay, sustainable development is an organizing principle for achieving human development goals, while also preserving natural system abilities to provide the natural resources and ecosystem service on which the economy and society rely. The desired outcome is a state of society in which living conditions and resources are used to meet human needs without risking the natural system integrity and stability. Sustainable development is defined as development that meet the needs of the present without risking the future generation ability to meet their own needs. Next, I will give you an example of sustainable development. In the 2021, many people and companies have practiced a sustainable development in their daily life. For example, wind energy, like a usage of a wind turbine. Next, solar energy, that uses a solar panel to provide the electricity for the city. And the third is a crop rotation, which is the waste of the crop will make a compost for the next crop to grow. And the fourth one is a water efficient fixture, and the last is a green space. That's all from me. Thank you. I will give you for the next person.
Hello everyone, my name is Emil Elisha Moses and my matrix number is 01DKM20F1052. Why engineer must be responsible in sustainable development? Professional engineers play a critical and crucial part in achieving sustainability. They seek to increase people's welfare, health, and safety while using as few natural resources as possible and paying attention to the environment and resource sustainability. The challenges and opportunities have an impact on the sustainability. Engineers are to give ideas and solutions that increase societal value while minimizing environmental consequences. Organizations must invest in co-innovation and collaboration in order to achieve a world with a lower carbon footprint. To enable sustainability in product solutions, they must focus on embedding sustainability by design across business and operations, as well as research and development. Effect in engineer neglect sustainable development. Unsustainable product development can emerge from an action that, while attempting to act sustainably in a local setting, causes more serious development difficulties or social and environmental repercussions in a broader context, either immediately or later. Climate change, energy consumption, waste generation, hazards to public health, poverty, social isolation, natural resource management, biodiversity loss, and land use are all effects.
Thank you, Emil, for the explanation about the effect if engineers neglect sustainable development. Since the end of the 20th century, sustainable development has become an accepted orthodoxy for global economic progress and environmental preservation, with engineers playing a significant role in this development and fortification. Since engineering and technology have dominated the modern world growth, and the engineer's function is inextricably related to societal requirements. Engineers and scientists must safeguard our environment by developing safe elemental chemicals as sustainable environment and a recyclable renewable energy resource, among of the other things, in order to assure a better living for ourselves and future generation. That's all from us. Thank you for lending your ears for a few minutes. We hope that you will have a very nice day, and thank you.